Hello student, myself DS Jain, Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Gangamai Education Trust, Art Commerce Science College, Nagaon, Dhule. Welcome to my channel. I am going to present a PPT on family Sapotaceae. If you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel and share it too. Family Sapotaceae. Commonly occurring plants are Acrus sapota, chiku, Mimosopes hexandra, khirni, Mimosopes ilangi, bakul, Paquium gutta. There are some pictures showing the plants Mimosopes hexandra, khirni, Palaquium gutta, Mimosopes ilangi, bakul. Geographical distribution. The family Sapotaceae found in tropical region. It is include about 40 genera and 600 species. Silent features of the family Sapotaceae: plants with milky latex, leaves coriaceous, simple, alternate, exstipulate, gamopetalous, imbricate, estivation, stamens 5 or 4 to 8, epipetalous, carpels 5 or 4 to 8, superior ovary with axile placentation, style simple, stigma inconspicuous, fruit berry. Vegetative characters of family Sapotaceae: habit tree or shrub with lactiferous tissue in cortex and pith of all parts, root taproot, stem erect, woody, branched, lip simple, entire, hairy, leathery, alternate, exstipulate, unicostate, reticulate venation. There occur lactiferous sacs in the stem and leaves. The picture of Acrus sapota, chiku. Floral parts: inflorescence, solitary or in cymose, clusters, axillary, sometime found on old stems above the lip scars. Flowers: regular, bisexual, incomplete, complete, hypogynous, hairy, erect in the beginning, later become pendulous, tetra or pentamerous. Calyx: sepals 4 to 8 in 2 whorls or 5 in 1 whorls, imbricate, estivation, free or connate at the base. Corolla: petals 4 to 8 equal to the number of sepals, arranged in 1 whorls, gamopetalous, imbricate, estivation. At the time they have dorsal or lateral appendages. This picture showing the corolla, calyx. Androecium: stamens 5 or equal to the number of petals, arranged in 2 or 3 whorls, epipetalous, outer whorls of stamens usually reduced into stamenoids. Gynoecium, carpels 4 to 8, syncarpus, superior ovary, multilocular, axial placentation, one anatropous ovule in each locule, style simple, stigma inconspicuous. Fruit berry, seeds few or one in each fruit, endospermic or non-endospermic. Floral formula, these are the fruit berry of Mimosopus hexandra, Mimosopus elengi, Acrus sapota. Systematic position, division phanerogames, flowering plant, subdivision angiosperm, seeds are enclosed in fruits. Class dicotyledons, taproot, stem branched, lip shows reticulate venation, pentamerous flower, seeds with two cotyledons. Subclass Gamopetalae, petals are united. Series Heteromere, ovary superior, carpels 4 to 5, 4 to 5 locular with axial placentation. Stamens epipetalous and opposite the petals. Order Hypnales, tree or shrub. Stamens equal or double the number of petals or many. Family Sapotaceae. Economic importance of family Sapotaceae. They are used as a food. The fruit of Acrus sapota and Mimosopus hexandra are edible. The chiku fruits are used in the preparation of jam. Ornamentals. The Mimosopus elengi is cultivated as an ornamental plant. Timber. The wood of Cedroxylon is known as ironwood and used as timber. Rubber. The latex of Palaquium and Mimosopus is used in the manufacturing of rubber known as gatta purcha. The mahu flowers are used as vegetable for making cake liquor. Flower juice is used in the treatment of enlargement of axillary gland, neurotic disorders and taken with cow milk as an use in cough and bronchitis. The derived liquor is desired for fermentation of flowers is considered to be a tonic or nutritive. Mahua seeds oil is used as an ointment in rheumatism and to prevent cracks in the skin in winter. It is used for edible purpose, hair oil, illumination, lighting, keep body glows and warm. The seeds of Mahua and the tree of Mahua plants. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share it. See you in next video.